Janak and Rishi Kulkarni will open the batting. Please take stumps back. Abhijit Bera is the bowler.
This match is a pretty intense match for both the teams.
Yeah.
It's going to be a qualifier.
So for our viewers, Colora Fultons has already
हरीश को
qualified.
सपोर्ट करते हुए विहान एंड विहान पापा को थम्स अप देते हुए.
For our viewers, let me remind them, Colora Fultons is already qualified for the finals. The winner of this qualifier will play them in the finals. First ball coming up. Well played, well bowled.
This is what is required. Adjust, adapt, and judge the ball.
Oh, well played. Late cut. Running for the second one. Oh. Ball was not collected by the keeper or would have been a tight call.
ये बराबर क्या होता है बताइए, ये ओवर एक्साइटमेंट है. बॉल आने के पहले ही ग्लव से स्टंप उड़ा दिया.
हाँ, वो सुबह से एक्साइटेड है. ये हाथ ऊपर करते हुए.
हाँ. That's the spirit. Vilas Bagate, first EPL tournament for him as well.
His Josh is quite high. So the orange cap holder Abhijit. Ooh, huge appeal. Was the ball missed? Catch dropped? No. Another late cut. Great ball. So Nikhil, Abhijit has been a great find of this tournament. It's his debut tournament.
He's a national level football player. You can
Yeah.
find that in his body language.
Fitness and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So Sharad, how's the match going?
Good, Milind.
The floodlights are on.
Floodlights are on.
First time in the EPL history we are having an experience.
Another good ball.
First time in the EPL history we are having an experience of night match
Yeah.
with floodlights on. Rishikesh and Janak on strike.
So magic ball. Well played by Rishi.
Played, straight drive
For a
towards
single.
offside.
Just one run. End of 2 overs. The score is 15 for no loss.
2 overs, 15 runs. 1-5. Galani Fashion have started their innings very slow. They are watching the ball carefully. They don't want to lose wickets. Abhijit on bowling strike now and Rishikesh to face. Abhijit Kataria.
Abhijit Kataria is the bowler.
Loose ball. The keeper Bagate couldn't collect. कलेक्ट करताच नाही आला त्यांना. बॉल गेली बाउंड्री साठी. चौकार.
4 रन जाते हुए. मिसफील्ड. विलास बगाटे.
बगाटे ना लाईट सुरू झाल्यावरती बॉल दिसत नाही काय असं वाटतंय मला बहुतेक.
गॉगल मिस झालाय बहुतेक त्यांचा. अभिजीत कटारिया. इट्स अ वाईट बॉल.
जोपर्यंत सूर्याचं लाईट होता तोपर्यंत एकदम क्लीनली कलेक्ट करत होते बगाटे साहेब. फ्लडलाईट सुरू झाल्यावरती जरासं मंद झालेले आहेत.
Next ball. Oh, oh, ho, ho.
Gone!
That's a very soft dismissal. Big wicket this is.
Caught bowled by Abhijit Kataria.
Star player Rishi Kulkarni coming back to the pavilion.
It is a slow walk back to pavilion. Very slow walk. He was watching the ball.
This is a huge
He was
wicket.
controlling his aggression.
Star of 2 matches.
He was trying to control his aggression, trying to play with a soft hand, but that ball lofted up and the ball went back straight to the bowler. It's a caught and bowled by Abhijit Kataria. Very well bowled. Now the captain is in.
New man in is Yash Chaulani. Taking a lot of time for setting the field, captain over there. Well played and well bowled by Abhijit. Oh, trying to hit it. What happened over there?
There was one run to be taken actually.
No, the bowler seemed excited as if he bowled the batsman.
Easily झालं असतं actually एक run.
Vilas Bagate. Oh, another.
Ball lofted behind the keeper, going to.
Oh, and Harper running over there. It's a 4. I thought Harper will dive and save the ball.
We were expecting a dive from Harish Padia, but it seems that he let the ball go to the boundary instead of diving.
Good effort. Good effort by Harper over there.
It's a long run.
Magic ball. Huge 6 it is.
Shot, 6 on a magic ball. So 12 runs coming on that ball.
End of 3 overs, 36 for 1.
3 overs gone, 36 for 1 at the loss of Rishi Kulkarni's wicket. The next bowler is Shriraj,
Shiriraj
the title
Jagtap.
sponsor of this event. Shrinik Steelworks. Shrinik Steelworks. The bowler setting his field as per his bowling requirement.
Shiraj has an economy of 10.33 in the 4 matches he played today. So Janak has been standing on the non-striker's end. Ooh.
Lovely ball by the Sriraj. Ball hitting thighs of Janak.
That's a huge 6.
Lovely shot towards the mid wicket.
Out of the ground.
And the ball is out of the park. What a hit. Janak is a silent killer.
Oh, another good
Ball
shot.
lofted towards third man region for 4. अरे अंपायर ने जो
Umpire, what is it? 4 or a 6?
अंपायर डिसीजन.
Umpire, it's a 4. It's a 4 given by umpire. बैट पे लगाया तो 6 है 4 है. I'm बोलूँ क्या? Umpire, is it a 6 or a 4? Bat को लगाया directly. Okay, it's a 4. It's a 4.
Umpire is watching the ball, so umpire's decisions will be final one.
It's a ball. It's a ball. It's a legal ball. 2 balls left in the over. Great depth touch by Janak, and it's a magic ball coming up. Magic ball.
Lovely shot.
Played on the offside.
The ball was well stopped by Abhay Bodhi there. Prasad
Prasad Dumbre.
Prasad Dumbre.
I think Milind, lights are having an effect on you.
Lights are having effect on me as well. Yeah, you
because
rightly
it-
said.
So at the end of 4 overs, score is 51 for the loss of 1 wicket. CG has been sitting silently, although he has been so much active throughout the day. So the star player coming on to bowl, Aditya Ladda. Vilas Bagate showing him something. Ooh, just a single.
Little
Well
glance
played, well
over the
played.
gully region, but at short third man, Abhijit Kataria was there, fielded well by him
Well placed
for
field.
just one run.
Well, what do you say, Milan? Fielder placed well.
Yeah, I think he is rightly placed for that round of delivery.
Oh, white
It's a
ball.
white ball, very well kept.
And the keeper, Vilas Bagate.
Janty Roads of EPL.
Jaunty Rhodes. Bet.
Very good shot, lofted one on the offside.
And the ball will spin away.
Can
It's a
Prasad
4.
hit
It's
the
a
ball
4.
was spinning very heavily. Prasad couldn't judge the spin of the ball, so the ball went past him towards the boundary line for 4 runs.
It's quite difficult to spot the ball from the commentary box over here.
Yeah. It's an odd time actually. There is some daylight as well as floodlight, so it's getting a little bit mixed up.
Twilight period.
Keeper Vikas
Look at the
Bagate.
keeper. He has gone till the baller's end, appealing so much.
He is appealing to bowler or umpire.
I doubt who. Hapa, look at the field. Look at the batsman Hapa.
Lovely shot, straight drive. There is a fielder over there, very well fielded.
Could have been a second there.
I cannot spot the guy. Actually, I can't see his
Shrinik-
face.
Shrinik Parmar.
Is it Shriraj Jagtap?
Ah, Sriraj Jagtap. Yeah. I just still. Yeah.
Very well stopped by Neha Mahajan there.
Oh, Neha is fielding in cover region. Magic ball coming up. Aditya Ladda. It's high in the air. Cleared the boundary for a 6.
Lovely shot.
12 runs will be added. They're making use of each and every magic ball. At the end of 5 overs, score is 71 for 1.
Mama, good
CG
fielding.
standing in the pavilion. CG, you want to give some water or something?
Mama, good fielding.
You want to give some water or something? Vilas Bagate, when he appeals, he goes straight till the bowler.
He is overexcited to be in a qualifier match.
Next bowler is Prasad Dumre.
Prasad Dumre coming up, right arm over the wicket to Janak Shah.
Janak is playing a supporting role. 11 balls, 16 for him. Oh, trying to play that shot again.
Very well bowled at a good length delivery. Keeper still waiting for batsman to go out of crease, but he will not go. So it's better if you give the ball immediately back to the bowler.
Oh, a full toss couldn't utilize it to the maximum extent. Just a single. So Yash Chavlani on strike now. 9 balls, 37 for him.
Good
Straight to long
drive,
on.
4 runs.
4 runs it is.
Very good straight drive by Abhijit Bera. Yes, Chavlani. I beg your pardon.
Oh.
Lovely bowled on the leg. Leg by signaled by the umpire.
2 balls left in the over. And there's another miss.
Keeper misses the ball again.
Good covering up by Abhijit Kataria over there. Could have been a boundary there.
This is the third time in this innings we are seeing that
Magic
he's
ball coming up.
missed the ball.
Magic ball.
Magic ball.
And
It goes
the ball is racing away to the boundary. Harper couldn't stop it.
4 runs. So
Another ball, Milind, where they have utilized the magic ball.
magic ball. Indeed. It's
So at
8
the end of
runs.
6 overs, score is 86 for 1. 6 overs, 86 for 1.
3 overs to go. 86 runs scored till now. So what do you think, Sharad? What?
I think they should target 150. I think Janak has to change his gears now.
I think
He-
3 overs, 70 runs is quite achievable. 150 is a very fighting score.
Next bowler in is Vikrant Bhuktani.
Vikrant Bhuktani comes up. Lovely shot for 6 runs by Janak. He has changed the gears now.
Yeah, you
Shifted
called for the change of
gears.
gears and he absolutely
That's exactly what we were talking about just now.
yeah.
3 overs remaining.
3 overs remaining, 17 balls left. Utilize it to the maximum now. It's a wide ball given
White
by
ball
the
signaled by
umpire.
the umpire. Towards the
Bagati
left
isn't
side.
happy over there. I think he wants to challenge the decision. Another hit. Is it straight in the hand? Yes.
That ball goes straight in the hands of
Abhijit Bera.
Abhijit Bera. Deep mid wicket is the region. Janak was just looking to shift his gears from a soft to hard hitting one, but unluckily he got out. And now Lalit is walking to the strike.
May I call Nikhil Karnawat near the commentary box? So yeah, Nikhil, as the team mentor, team manager, what do you think is the good score?
What is the projected score? Good score. I feel 150, 55 should be a defendable score. Yeah.
Lalit. Oh, what was that? The football
There's a
in
football
the field of cricket.
fielding by Neha Mahajan over there.
Good fielding, Mama.
Yeah. One shot given by umpire. Yash Chavlani is on 49, batting at 49 of 12 balls. Lalit has just joined him. So are they? Oh, is it a catch? Yes, it is taken.
The catch is taken by Aditya. Long on region. Lalit Bhure hit the ball straight to the in the hands of the Aditya Ladda.
आशीष शाह.
काजू बादाम वाले आशीष शाह जा रहे हैं स्ट्राइक पे.
I think Ashish role here should be to give strike to Yash. Let him. MG.
The mantle again falling on to Ashish Shah. And Yash Chavlani, the captain, playing his role really well.
Captain
Let's
has
see
been.
what Kaju Badam Kishmish does.
Aha. Fifth ball coming up. Oh, slower ball.
ये जो ग्रेसफुल फील्डिंग हो रही है ना आज देख के इतना मजा आ रहा है ना मतलब
Vilas Bhagat
पूरा
has
स्लो मोशन में ये जो गिरना है बॉल रोकना है स्टंपिंग करना है
magic ball coming
बहुत
up.
ही उमदा मजा आ रहा है.
Oh,
बढ़िया
So-
बढ़िया.
couple of runs added to the total. The score now moves on to 94 for 3, 96 for 3 at the end of 7 overs. 2 overs remaining.
So finally it bottles down to the last 2 overs of the innings. And the
Yash-
team is at 96.
So
Change the game.
Ivy has been successful in keeping Yash off the strike.
True.
Apurva Sarda is the next bowler. Trying to steal the single over there. Vilas Bagade running to the ballers end, but not throwing the
Fantastic
ball.
running in between the wickets shown and a good call given by Yash.
Oh, all the floodlights are on now.
सत्य है ये सत्य.
All the lights are on. Yash on 49. A good shot over there. You can raise your bat, Yash. It has been an amazing innings.
50 up for you.
50 up for you.
And 100 up for the Galani fashion icons. प्रेसिडेंट यहाँ पे थोड़ा वरिड थे कि ये लाइट्स बजट में इंक्लूडेड है या नहीं बट जब जहाँ अंकित इन्वॉल्व है वहाँ स्ट्रेस की बात ही नहीं है.
हाँ सही बात है.
मैनेजमेंट तो बहुत ही बेहतरीन होने वाला है.
Oh, it was a slow ball. Trying to steal a run now. ...101 for 3, 7.2 overs. 102 for 3, 7.3 overs. Straight to long on. It's a misfield over there. Yash. Ashish Shah trying to heave it. Oh, what is happening with Vilas? What is happening with Vilas?
ए,
Even their players are laughing.
समझ नहीं रहा है अकेला ही बंदा अपील है.
Magic ball coming up. Arre yaar. And they're trying to steal a second over there. Oh,
Good running in between the wickets. Phenomenal spirit shown by Yash, supported by Ashish.
4 runs added to the total. Final over coming up.
Last over of the match. शरद आपने मुझे पूछा था कि
Nowhere,
150 बट
nowhere,
मुझे
nowhere.
नहीं लगता 150 हो पाएगा.
Nowhere close to the total you wanted.
Yeah. So, let's
I
see what
think
happens.
Rishi might be giving tips Yash to garden the strike. Play all the 6 balls.
But let me tell you, I still have hopes. It's Yash on strike, and it's my favorite bowler, Hapa bowling. So
Oh.
let me not lose the hopes. You never know.
So you're calling in for
what
a 6
happens.
sixes?
I might bet on it as well.
Oh. So Harper has been challenged by the team manager.
It's not a challenge. It's like having a faith on my
Faith.
players.
Oh. You call it faith.
Yeah. I have faith on both of them, the bowler and the batsman as well.
So a big meeting happening at the center of the pitch. Guys, can you hurry up, please?
Let me remind the players that this is not a huddle.
What is happening? What is happening? Oh, Lalit is going on the field. What? Can someone just update us?
Ashish
It's a-
requires a runner. It's okay. Yeah.
It's a runner for Ashish Shah.
Got it. Aditya showing hands to the leggy for being the keeper change.
What a shot! 6 runs.
This is what I was talking about.
Yeah,
sir.
your
My
faith is
favorite
showing
bowler
up.
and
Your
my
faith is coming true.
captain on the strike.
114 for 3. 5 balls left. Another 6. Ho, ho, ho.
So, क्या
आकाशवाणी
two
हुई
balls?
थी।
अरे न्यू बॉल दे रहे न्यू बॉल दे।
न्यू बॉल क्या नया बॉल भी बाहर जाएगा ये?
जयेश अपने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की बॉलिंग देखते हुए परेशान होते हुए बॉल देना भूल रहे हैं।
4 balls left.
तीसरी गेंद करने के लिए साइड चेंज।
It's a white ball. It's a white call by the umpire.
Sharad, do you feel Harish is under pressure?
Yeah, a lot of pressure. The moment he changed the side, we could understand he's under pressure.
Last 4 balls of the innings.
Huge 4 balls coming up. Another 6!
And that's a long one.
Oh!
I don't think this ball is gonna come back. 3 balls, 3 sixes. Like I told you, anything can happen in the last over.
Yes. थोड़ी देर पहले निखिल ने आकाशवाणी की थी कि 6 बॉल पे 6 छक्के भी हो सकते हैं। ये आधी सच हो चुकी है।
The captain reeling, pulling up his sleeves, giving his 100%. 17 balls, 71.
Please shut down the music, please.
DJ.
Last 3 balls coming up. Oh, did he just miss? And that's a 4. That's a 4.
Will this over prove to be the costliest one? It's 131 on the board.
Might be a game-changing over.
Last 2 balls to go.
Second last ball coming up of the innings. It's a white ball. White ball.
शरद, let me tell you, जैसे ही ये बंदा प्रेशर में आता है ना, ये एक 2 वाइड देता है।
तो हो गया ना, तो 1 चौका और 2 वाइड 6 तो हो ही गए। Oh, he just missed it. Could have been another 6. Could have been another 6. The final ball coming up, the magic ball. Heaves it. Oh, will it reach the boundary? Yes, it does. Please take care of the fielder over there. 8 runs added to the total.
I hope Shrenik, you're not injured.
Shrenik, are you okay?
A very fantastic attempt and a beautiful inning
What
played by
a
the
end to the
captain.
innings. Captain, you can take a
Ball, yeah, 20 balls, 83.
20
Beautiful
balls,
innings.
83. Three sixes, five boundaries. Amazing innings under pressure. Once Rishi was back in the hut, it was all up to Yash.
Neha
Nakush.
has also been batting really well, Sharad.
Yeah. 20 runs can change. Good ball. Good first ball by Avaya.
Three continuous dot balls.
मम्मा मार जोरात.
अरे वाह वाह वाह. काय नाव बेटा? नाव काय? Samanvi. And
Good 5 balls by Abhaya.
Samanvi, new addition to the commentary team.
Cheering for Amama. Finally connecting it. Might race on to the boundary.
And Samanvi's magic works and it
Made.
gives beautiful 8 runs. Good call
Four.
by her daughter.
8 runs will be added to the total. At the end of first over, the score is 8 for no loss.
More or less, it's the same thing that is
Same,
happening.
same.
Abhaya scored 10 runs
10.
and Neha scored 8.
Well played, Neha. Well played.
Girls ko nahi hai beta.
We have found one ring here.
And that's Abhijit's son, a really sharp and a fantastic observant. We have found a butterfly ring.
Butterfly ring might be of a diamond. Please come and claim at the commentary box.
I guess Sharad, that's suiting you. When
No,
I say it should go in the little finger.
it won't go. So Abhijit Bera is on the striker's end. Joining him is Abhijit Kataria. Both the Abhijits at the center stage.
We have Yash Chavlani bowling the second over for Galani Fashion Icons. He played a really beautiful batting innings.
Ankit, there's no rule for any player can open now in the qualifiers, right? Yeah. Yash on the bowling. Good ball.
Was
Good ball,
that a
good ball.
catch?
Yash is doing all the things over here today. Great innings. And now first over. Good ball. Straight to long on. For a single. Rishi collects it.
And they rotate the strike. We have Abhijit Kataria.
Good ball again. Well played by Vijit. Looking for the second run. Misfield. Completes it.
And Lalit right behind Harshal. Probably he anticipated.
Solar man. Oh, what a shot in the air. Will it clear? Oh, what a drop. Big drop by Rishi there. He looks frustrated.
That was a really easy one probably. But
Happens in the
drop,
floodlight.
yeah.
A glance, leg glance for the boundary. Well played by Vijit.
Last ball of the over, magic ball, and we have Abhijit on strike.
Few words in the years by MG.
They really can't afford to drop catches.
Yeah, correct. Leg glance, racing away to the boundary. Hey, what a shot. 8 runs added to the total.
Harshal going in for a morning walk, morning jog probably.
Harshal, you need to run, guy. At the end of 2 overs, score is 29 for no loss. Aditya cheering his team.
Let's see if Janak is being able to turn the tides for Galani Fashion Icons.
Next on the bowling line is Janak Shah. Abhijit Bera on strike. Long up, out of the ground. It's a 6. Well played. Played to the long off, looking for second run. No is the call, no is the call.
This cheering by the team is required.
What a shot! Played on the offside, late cut. Abhijit Kataria coming to the party in the qualifiers.
ये अभिजीत का जो गेम है,
आराम से आराम से.
if you see, he really just directs and flicks the ball. मैं लेता हूँ.
कुछ लेते क्यों नहीं?
आप दो तो लेता हूँ.
What a shot! Another
And that's
6.
a long one.
In the covers there, looking for second. No, only settle for 1.
Last ball, magic ball of the over. Let's see what happens.
What a shot! What a shot! At the end of 3 overs, score is 59 for no loss.
Again, pressure piling up on Galani Fashion Icons. This was probably
30 runs over.
30 runs scored in this over.
Janak Shah gave
This is
away
gonna cost.
30 runs.
Thalaiva fighters required. Thalaiva fighters require 82 runs in 36 balls.
Players realizing this is an important over. Rishi Kulkarni has been their star player. Playing it easy. Was it a wide? Was it a white ball, umpire? No, it wasn't a wide. Not a wide, but 4 runs. Oh, good ball, good ball, good ball. Now it's a white ball called by the umpire. Another white there. In the air, in the air. Nobody there to collect it, to catch it.
It lands right in the no man's land. Probably everybody was worried, but it was a safe this thing. क्या हो गया? Look now. IB requires 74 runs to win in 32 balls.
Ooh.
And that's a very good field.
Last ball coming up of Rishi Kulkarni is over. A magic ball.
They really need to turn this.
Yes. Not much on the board. Ooh, well bowled, well bowled. But the most important part is they didn't lose any wicket in this over.
Agreed. Even if they didn't capitalize it, they didn't at least
Yes.
bear the brunt of it.
A good over by Rishi Kulkarni. Just gave away 9 runs. At the
Yeah.
end of 4 overs, score is 68 for no loss. 73 runs needed in 30 balls.
Now, who comes from Galani Fashion Icons?
It's a easy
It's
doable.
Lalit Bhure.
The batsmen are in the call of order. Abhijit Kataria having some discussion with the wicket keeper.
What a meetings होने ही चाहिए. Probably I feel this should happen every over or every 2 overs at least. Kids seem to be super excited, Apu. This is a different flavor to this season's EPL.
Oh, yeah. Right under the floodlights. Amazing match happening.
Yeah.
What a shot! Ooh, what a miss, what a miss. It's a 4. This is what pressure
This
is.
is actually what
And now-
pressure does.
And now Vikrant Bhuptani has started speaking up. Well, this is what he says pressure does.
Truly
This
said.
is getting smile back on his face.
Mistakes makes people happy.
Ah. Oh, whoa. Well, racing away to the boundary.
And Ashish giving his 100%, stopping the ball, giving the throw.
It's okay.
What is gonna happen? Nah, badhiya. A good steal. A really good steal.
.3 overs, 79 for no loss.
Abhijit, 12 balls, 44. And it's both Abhijits. I noticed it. Kya baat hai?
This is a new pair coming
Amit
up,
is
right?
the first pair.
Ah.
Abhijit is the second pair.
Second pair, yeah. Some numerology happening, or what? Straight down the ground. Player placed rightly for there. Such kind of shots. Just 1 run added to the total. Score is 80 for no loss. Good ball. Another drop. Another
go.
drop.
I go.
No.
Catches win matches, and this is a big goof up that is happening.
This will not help in
It's not
any
gonna
way.
Last ball, magic ball of the over.
Kids cheering up there. Team. What a shot. And another miss. It's a 6 runs.
Baapre.
12 added to the total. Ashish Shah, are you feeling good? Are you fine? Do you want any water or something?
आशीष भाई जेन्युइन लिया थोड़ा भी तकलीफ है तो वी डोंट वांट यू नो
काजू वाजू कुछ भेजू तो बता देना. You can come out any moment, Ashish.
that the last shot could have been a catch.
Could have been a catch.
Oh,
4
so
catches
probably
dropped, I
4
think.
catches dropped in this entire innings up till now.
Vikrant looking quite happy now. And he has put up his hand.
50 up for Abhijit Kataria. 14 balls,
Abhijit, you can
58.
raise your bat. Yes. Mayur Galani on the bowling end now.
Lalit again proves costly. 1 over 26 runs.
Yeah. Big over coming up. Out of the ground. Out of the ground. 100 up for Ivy Thalaiva Fighters. 100 up.
Ivy requires.
Another long hop. Is this the catch? First, another drop. Oh, what is happening? Is this for real? Is this for real?
This is really
This is
surprising.
unbelievable. Unbelievable. ये सब गलत बात है. ये सब गलत बात है. Right in front of the
Ivy
commentary box.
requires 39 runs to win with just 22 balls to go.
Another up in the air. Will this be taken? Another drop. What?
This is a match full of drops.
I can't believe this.
I
I
really
can't believe this, Nikhil.
It's just raining catches and raining drops. At least the 6 was safe. That's a bright side to it.
Oh, white ball. Good ball. Good ball.
Last 2 balls of the over.
Another wide. Another wide.
Another wide.
Dropped catches will prove costly. Another one in the air. Will Rishi take this?
Finally!
Finally!
Finally, Rishi finds his
Finally
grip.
takes it.
And it's Abhijit Kataria with the end of his innings.
Amazing
A
innings.
fantastic innings played by him.
Fantastic innings. Almost got the match in the favor of his team.
16 balls, 58 runs scored. He did what he had to do. Just like Hardik Pandya.
Just like Hardik Pandya. He wears his glasses like Hardik also. Next man in is Vikrant Bhuktani.
Last ball, magic ball of the over.
One in the air. Will this be take? No. It was a catch. The score is 117. Ivy Thalaiva Fighters require 24 runs to win with 18 balls to go. Just a cakewalk.
And with
All the young guns are cheering. Six more. Now this is just a mere formality. Aditya Ladda looks quite happy. Apurva Sarda looks happy. Another leg glass. Running away for the boundary. Another 4. Nikhil.
beautifully played. And look at the kids' energy. This energy level is just infectious. I hope the cameramen are, catching up these beautiful memories.
Spotting this. We'll take this up. Abhay Bodhi's
Finally,
suggestion will be taken
Bera
up.
misses.
Finally. This
Finally.
is Nikhil, this is just a formality now. Oh, what a shot. Inside.
Oi!
Oh, what a fielding.
Beautiful attempt. Beautiful stop.
Teja.
By Tejas. Yeah, that's agility for you. Amazing. Substitute player giving his 1000%.
Full of energy.
13 runs in 14 balls required.
White ball. What a shot by Vikrant.
Right into the gap.
This might seal this up now.
This is one guy who doesn't age.
Ah. He is just like wine.
No matter what the season, no matter what it is, the aggression remains the same.
Magic ball. Oh,
And it's gone.
It's gone.
Abhijit Bera misses, and that calls him for the end of his innings. A really
30.
sad goof up,
13 needed now of 12 balls.
but yeah, the work is already done.
Work is already done. Well played, man. Well played, well played.
But yeah, Sharad, no matter what the situation is, it's just 13 runs required in 13 balls. But this game is such that there's still some hope.
Anything can happen, anything.
Even if I know the batting lineup, who's gonna come
Yeah.
next? We have the scoreboard in front of you, but still, the hope never dies.
Let me remind you, Nikhil, Aditya and Apurva are still in the pavilion. They are yet to come. Yes. Also, not to.
That was a magic ball.
Yeah, and not to miss.
So the equation changes.
No, no, no.
So 11 runs required
And 12 balls.
in 12 balls.
Ashish Shah. Good ball, good ball.
Oi. A miss. Could have been a bold.
Oh, another played on the just for the single. 10 balls, 10 needed. Ground shot. Who is this run out? Oh,
Aye.
wide throw. Wide throw.
Nice stop, nice stop. That calls in for a cover, and again a roly-poly
Abhaya.
stop and covering the ball. It's really
8
amazing
runs.
to see.
8 runs in 9 balls.
Yeah.
It's a wide ball.
No extras at this point of time. The equation is really going to change. 7
Seven.
runs required in 9 balls.
Ooh, are they stealing a run? Yes.
These mistakes are not expected at this point in the game.
If those catches were taken, things would have been different.
Things would have been definitely been different. With 6 runs required in 8 balls.
Just a single there. 5 runs needed in 7 balls. Magic ball coming up. Is this the last ball of this qualifier match?
Last ball, magic ball of the over. Can this change? Eh. Not expected.
Another miss.
You never know what is going to happen, but
So just 3 needed in 6 balls.
so no matter which team wins,
It has
there
been
is
an
going to
amazing-
be a break of just 15 minutes, and the next match is going to start at 7:45. I hope the Ivy Thalaiva fighters are listening to it. The score is 143, 3 runs required in just 6 balls. Doesn't matter. See, even though I said it wrong, you understood what I had to say.
Yeah, that's true. So the last over is being bowled by Teja. Shiraj on strike.
I just wish this becomes the last ball kind of match.
Let's see. You had one wish in the first innings.
1 sec. We need to just add. It's done. Yes, Tejas, we can begin.
Nikhil, you wished something in the last over of first innings. Again, you have some wish.
So probably in the last innings I prayed for 6 and 6 balls, and now I wish that this match goes till the last ball.
No. But then see, just 3 needed, and the amazing batsman
Yeah,
are on
the
the strike.
chances seem really
Vikrant
slow.
is still there. No. See, nothing happens by saying. Good ball, good fielding.
3 required in 5 balls.
Oh, well played. Sensible batting.
Ah,
Just 2 needed of 5 now.
correct.
Just 2 needed of 4.
They need not to rush.
No need to rush.
2 runs required in last 4 balls. Two runs required in 3 balls.
Ooh, will they look for the second? All over.
That is gone
Out
for
of the boundary.
a 4.
Ivy Thalaiva fighters are in the finals.
Look at the kids.
Look at the kids, look at the young guns. This has been an amazing match. जिसको समोसे नहीं मिले थे प्लीज जाके पहले स्नैक्स ले लो.